Mahatma Buddha was once passed through the village. Some people there had enmity with him, surrounded him on the way and kept humiliating him by abusing him a lot. Then enmity stopped abuse. Buddha said, I will go. They were very surprised and said that we abused you so much. You did not get angry with us. You were late. No matter how much you abuse me, but I will not abuse you in the beginning. When you left a village, the people brought sweets. I met them, but I did not take them because my stomach was full. They took the sweets back home, stopped for a while and asked, can you tell me what will we do with the sweets they have taken back? One of them said he will give it to his family and children. You will distribute it among your life and loved ones. All the opponents of Buddha got impressed and become disciples of Buddha. So friend, our Mahatma Buddha was like this. He used to make enemies as a friend.